Hello and welcome to the channel. In this video we are exploring the most popular tourist attractions in the Bodrum City. We are starting the video with the mausoleum at Halicarnassus. The ruins of this tomb were used by the crusaders to fortify the Castle of Petronius. Currently there are ancient pieces available to see in the exhibition hall at the site. The mausoleum at Halicarnassus, also known as the Tom of Mosulus, was built between 353 to 350 BC in Halicarnassus. For Mausolus, a native Anatolian from Caria and a satrap in the Achaemenid Empire, and his sister wife Artemisia II of Caria. The structure was designed by the Greek architects Satyros and Pythius of Priene. Its elevated tomb structure is derived from the tombs of neighbouring Lycia, a territory Mausolus had invaded. It's likely that Mausolus started to build the tomb before his death as part of the building works in Halicarnassus, so that when he died, Artemisia continued the building project. Artemisia spared no expense in building the tomb. She sent messengers to Greece to find the most talented artists of the time. In the exhibition hall, you can find a model of the mausoleum, and also there is a lot of information regarding the mausoleum and its related structures. Now we are going towards the ancient theatre built on the hilltop. It is in walking distance from the mausoleum. You have to climb a steep passage to the hillside where the theatre is located. This ancient amphitheatre is still used to hold concerts or music evenings. The best thing of the location is that you get to see the best view of the Bodrum City. The theatre is partially repaired and the remnants of new construction is quite visible. Now we move towards the Boardroom Castle. The modern name Bodrum derives from the town's medieval name Petronium, which was its roots in the hospitaller castle of the St. Peter. Boardroom Castle is a historical fortification located in the southwest Turkey, in the port city of Bodrum, built from 1402 onwards by the St. John Knights as the Castle of St. Peter or Petronium. The castle was completed in the late 15th century, only to be overtaken by the Islamic Ottoman Empire in 1523. The chapel was converted to a mosque and a minaret was added. The castle remained under the empire for almost 400 years. After remaining empty following World War I, in the early 1960s, the castle became the home for the award-winning Bodrum Museum of Underwater Archaeology. In 2016, it was inscribed in the tentative list of the World Heritage Sites in Turkey. The Maritime Museum of Bodrum has recently opened at Old Bedestin in Karsi district of the town. The two-floor museum gives information about the maritime history of the Bodrum Peninsula and houses a great collection of sponge diving equipment and model gillets and boats used for sponge diving and for the transportation of tangerines. These model boats were made by a master boat designer and the boat builder Ali Kemal. There is a special section reserved for the fishermen of Halicarnassus, a famous author and historian who made Bodrum known to the rest. The museum also have diving suits, tools used by the sponge divers and examples of sponges. The museum also displays a rich seashell collection donated by Hassan Guleshi, who accumulated a vast collection of seashells from all over the world. Bodrum, as famous and known for its locations, the beaches, hotels, restaurants offer the best services to the tourists. If you're still thinking about visiting Bodrum, I would recommend you to come and visit to see the jewel of the Turkish Riviera. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, subscribe and comment down below. I will be uploading more videos from my Turkish holidays. Thank you.